This is Ditto. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker with over 200 LED lights on the front. It can be used to display the time, weather, play games, but most importantly, it can display pixel art made by the community. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So that gives you an idea of how the speaker sounds when it's playing music. Despite being pretty small, it does a great job of filling up the room with music. Ditto can play music from Bluetooth or from a micro SD card, and it charges with USB Type-C. When you connect Ditto to your smartphone with Bluetooth, you can download the app and you can explore all the pixel art made by the community. You can even make your own pixel art, animations, and even music. The design is really unique. It looks like it's based off of an old school Macintosh. The 6 buttons on the front look and feel just like an actual gaming keyboard. And if you listen carefully, you can hear that satisfying clicking sound that all mechanical keyboards have. And the joystick that is right next to the keyboard is not an actual joystick. You just use that to press down, and that acts as the enter button. You can also play games on Ditto, but most of these games are not that good. You can play a game like Tetris with the keyboard, or you can use your phone as a controller, which is pretty cool. And it's available now for about $80 on Amazon. If that one is a little bit too pricey for you, there is a cheaper model that has almost the same features. I'll have a link for that in the description below, so go ahead and check that out.